Cheers! It's Debbie Wong here. I am living the dream right now. I am on a swing in a backyard in the summertime enjoying this gorgeous dessert. This is a twist on a classic tiramisu, and I call it my summer fruit tiramisu with spiced whiskey. Oh yes, it sounds just as good as it tastes. Is that right? Tastes good as it sounds? Tastes good as it sounds, sounds good as it. I always get that one wrong. Anyhow, this dish is super easy. It involves 3 components: the cream, the cookie, and the fruit. And you layer it up and you're done. So if you guys want to know how to make it, keep watching.